No matter what area of life, evolution is inevitable. According to the World Bank, over 40% of the adult population and more than 2 billion people worldwide are outside of the banking system today, limiting many to a state of poverty and discouragement. This is a major problem in the world today. However, challenging times are also the most powerful times as they make us creative, searching for newer and better solutions. The modern banking system was developed over 60 years ago, but newborn ideas and innovative technology have opened the door to a financial evolution that holds the power to transform our entire world. The money we use today is called fiat currency. The term came out of the idea that a claim check or dollar was backed up by gold. This changed in the 70s when the US government cancelled the direct convertibility of the US dollar to gold. US President Nixon, I have directed Secretary Connolly to suspend temporarily the convertibility of the dollar into gold or other reserve assets. No fiat currency has ever retained its value over time, and the principle is easy. Every time the central bank prints more currency, the currency we have in our pockets loses its value and is called inflation. After years of inflation over loans, markets and irresponsible, unregulated financial management, the consequences were huge and finally led to the financial crisis of 2008, a crisis that was also the beginning of a great financial evolution. Cryptocurrency was born. The idea of cryptocurrency was to create a new currency that was free from inflation and based on the same principles as gold, where supply and demand is creating the value. An idea based on the perks of technological advancement that could provide us much faster, cheaper and more secure transactions. Since then, a lot has happened, and more than a decade later, cryptocurrency has started to impact our entire world. Question: do you think this is a currency? A currency that's really going to work eventually? Answer: well, I think it's working, and there will be other currencies like it that may be even better. It's legally seen as commodity in the United States, while in the European Union it's classified as an asset. Today, all major banks have realized the impact this type of currency will have on our monetary system. And banks around the world are now looking for innovative ways to implement cryptocurrency and the underlying technology, the blockchain, in the existing banking system. Cryptocurrency is still a new concept to a lot of people, but the innovation is becoming an accepted new form of money just in a digital form. However, it is the underlying technology, the blockchain, that holds the power to transform not only our monetary system, but the whole way we operate in society today. Not many people believed in the internet 30 years ago. Today, more than 60% of the world's population is connected to the World Wide Web. In 1995, it was less than 1%. What made the internet so successful was that it was open for anyone, and we could start sending information instantaneously worldwide. The blockchain, on the other hand, is the internet of value, and it gives us the ability to transmit not information, but value in the blink of an eye worldwide. The internet is a communications protocol, while the blockchain is a protocol for value exchange. The blockchain technology, the foundation of cryptocurrency, is right now being implemented in most areas of society. The stock market, in sales records, in contract processing, and, of course, within the financial sector of payments and transactions, to name a few examples. The new era of finance that you are about to discover is the second generation of the internet and the blockchain cryptocurrency. The future of payments is about to revolutionize the economy as we know it today. Bitcoin had an incredible increase of value from 2009 till the end of 2013 and fluctuated in value from 2013 to 20,000 in 2017. It continued fluctuating until peaking at US 60,000 in 2021. The price of a single Bitcoin went from $0.1 to a current price of approximately $36,000. And many people worldwide made a fortune. At the same time, many missed out on the opportunity because they lacked information and education, but also with the initial skepticism that cryptocurrency was looked at. The pioneers soon showed that there was plenty of room for improvement in the future, and with the development of new cryptocurrencies, it has opened the door for a much safer cryptocurrency with greater usability. One Ecosystem. Since its establishment in 2014, OneCoin, a fintech company, has been dedicated to creating a coin suitable for mass market usage, in line with its vision to provide access to financial services for everyone. To fulfill our commitment to the growing community mining and using the One cryptocurrency, we started creating an ecosystem around the coin. From the very beginning, we knew the birth of the coin will create a unique ecosystem revolving around the coin. The one would unify all the elements in the environment and provide a universal, uniform currency for all the users in the system. We have been working on the continued development and updating of the One ecosystem's operational systems and processes, including the back office, technologies, and most importantly, the blockchain. This is the circle of success, or the wheel of fortune, or however you want to call it. But this is OneCoin world, and our coin is in the middle of the circle. It's a whole ecosystem. It's alive, it's a network, it's a lot of things. Through the One ecosystem we encourage the unification of the coin's usability, functionality, and reliability. We are more than just one. Our network of independent marketing associates creates the expansion of our One ecosystem with the focus on developing educated miners. Our One ecosystem, IMA, is people-focused, people-centered and people-driven. With the goal of developing 10 million IMAs and 1 million merchants, we create the world around One ecosystem. One ecosystem is designed to be initially centralized, but not government-owned, which makes it possible to control the growth and integrate once in today's monetary system. Built on a business strategy, creating a strong brand and a stable market globally without high volatility. Traceable and protected with a Know Your Customer policy known as a KYC, which takes cryptocurrency to a whole new level of transparency. Primarily focused on the utility, One ecosystem chooses to continuously implement more functions and open platforms for owners to trade and use coins, which is growing the market and creating a higher demand for cryptocurrency worldwide. It's user-friendly and open to all. No need for expensive equipment, special or trading knowledge. It's simply for everyone. Education is provided for all members to get empowered and to make well-informed decisions and gain financial literacy. According to the first predictions in 2014, the value of a single OneCoin after 1 year was to reach €5. Already, 7 years later, the price of a single OneCoin is now €42.43. OneCoin is expecting further increases in value over the next couple of years based on the constantly growing network of educated miners, but also because of the numerous companies that want access to the millions of OneCoin owners to promote their services and products, thus expanding the utility area even further. This is not a promise or guarantee in any way. However, the historical aspect of OneCoin's journey so far makes the future even more exciting, and it can benefit the entire modern society and future generations. So how does one get started? By joining the One ecosystem. You get a first-class financial education that will help you become an educated miner. The education packages come in 7 different levels, starting as low as €140 and even over €27,530, offering different modules of education on finance, trading, cryptocurrency law, and blockchain technology. For each level of education, you receive a fixed number of promotional tokens. Depending on what package you purchase, you also qualify for one or more splits. A split will double your number of tokens and can therefore be used to generate more coins once your tokens have split accordingly. You can submit them to the mining pools with only a few clicks to start mining your OneCoins. The One ecosystem also offers very beneficial combinations of the various educational packages. These combinations give you access to automatic mining so you can join the mining pools instantly, without additionally waiting for a split. Besides automatic mining, these strategic combinations can also generate for you additional splits tokens and therefore also more OneCoins. Cryptocurrency and this new financial market really hold the potential to create banking for the 2 billion people who do not have access to the banking system today, according to the World Bank. It is one of the most emerging markets today that can plug the unbanked into the financial system simply by using a smartphone or any smart device. It can eliminate the middlemen who charge high fees for remittances and cross-border payments, where the average fee is 7.7% but can reach up to 33% taking several days. It can also help people secure assets and grow capital in an extremely fast-growing market. What's creating the value of OneCoin to meet the needs of the public mass market? OneCoin will mine a total of 250 billion coins, and the efficient blockchain is developed to allow extremely fast transactions. A continuously growing network creating a strong brand in combination with the increasing number of merchants who want to get access to the millions of OneCoin owners. Constantly growing areas of utility, these factors create the value of the coins, and when OneCoin goes public, the market is already there, spread out globally, and the increase of value will most probably be a fact. OneCoin is social, global, and easy to access through the One ecosystem. Networking and social media today hold tremendous power to influence that can change pretty much any market. Do you remember Netscape and Yahoo, the search engines that were soon forgotten as the giant Google took over the complete market and introduced a user-friendly and much more sophisticated software? Do you remember MySpace, the social network platform that was soon forgotten as Facebook took over the entire market? Neither of these giants used advertisement as a way of reaching out to people. The growth of these companies was based on trust, results, and the most powerful of all elements, satisfied users and the word of mouth, the same phenomenon that One ecosystem is experiencing right now. Now you have a powerful and transparent opportunity in front of you, and you can join the millions of miners, traders and merchants to mine coins and diversify your portfolio, positioning yourself for the future to come. With this information, you can be at the forefront of this new era, an emerging market that is about to change the global economy. Decision-making is based on information, and you can now make use of the information given to you. So, make sure to get your questions answered by the person who showed you this video to get started. And keep in mind that the question is not if cryptocurrency will impact your future economy. It's rather, are you ready for the new economic era emerging upon us? If you are, make sure to join this financial revolution and to be part of the fastest growing cryptocurrency in the world, OneCoin.